Hello! So, ako po si Madam P. Ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. So, wait lang, napili pa ako ng card na gagamitin ko for your reading. Gusto ko sanang gamitin tong card na to, tong deck na to. Yeah, I'm really feeling this deck. Actually, hindi pa ako nagsisimula, naiiyak na ako. Oh my gosh. What's your energy? Bakit ganun? Anyway, naiiyak na ako doon sa energy mo. And as I hold this card, ang daming emotions no, na nararamdaman natin dito. Gusto ko tong gamitin, but nililimitahan ko because there are times na pwedeng lumabas yung card dito na which is showing images na ayaw ni YouTube, no? Nagkakaroon tayo ng violations or restrictions, so ayaw naman natin mangyari yun. So, habang sinashuffle ko tong deck na to, hindi ko na lang ipapakita sa camera. And pag lumabas yung card na which is yung kukunin natin, nag-jump siya, lalagay ko siya dito, pero lalagyan ko ng cover if there's something doon sa picture. Kasi ito yung tarot deck na hindi ko na siya ginagamit sa ganito na recorded reading because may mga scene or may mga picture na walang damit yung character. So, yeah, nagkakaroon siya ng violation. And of course, alam naman ninyo yan, if you're watching tarot readings here sa YouTube, talagang may mga ganong eksena. So, spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me what do we have here for earth sign, main energy ng earth sign, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. So, dito ko lang siya sa gilid, i-shuffle guys ha. At saka dito na rin ako sa gilid, kukuha ng card. If you want to book a reading, padala kayo sa aming Facebook page guys. May mga admin ako mag-a-assist sa inyo. Madam P, yan yung aming Facebook page. Let's start. You do have your the Magician and the Five of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Major Arcana, the Magician. Two of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, may mga problems tayong nakikita sa'yo. Problems related to money, finances, or yung iba sa inyo, you feel like you are unwelcome or hindi ka welcome sa isang place or sa isang community or sa isang lugar. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, kung hindi man yan yung iniisip mo, it could be financially. With the Magician, napipilitan ka ditong magtago or maglihim or hindi mo sabihin yung current status mo regarding that. Maybe regarding your finances. Or yung iba sa inyo, yung feelings mo is napipilitan kang hindi i-open up or hindi sabihin. Yeah, especially related dito sa if you're feeling unwelcome, no, sa isang place or sa isang lugar, tinatry mo na lang magsuot ng face mask, kumbaga yung mask or yung hindi totoong ikaw, just to hide your emotions or whatever you're feeling diyan sa situation na yan. And alin man doon guys, kung alin man doon yung nakukuha mong energy or kung ano man doon yung nakukuha mong kung saan ka nakakakonect doon sa dalawang sinabi ko, kasi alin man doon. And you do have the Two of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, and I'm feeling like may mga decision ka na gustong gawin ngayon, but tinitingnan mo mabuti kung ano yung mas maganda decision na dapat gawin regarding dito. Person na connect mo, spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Person na connect mo. The person that you're dealing with, you do have the Five of Cups. Okay, I'm feeling a lot of sadness dito sa person na to. And you do have the Justice card. This is Libra energy. And the Eight of Cups. Maybe this is a person may marriage na involved dito eh. Okay? And the Justice card and the Eight of Cups, parang medyo ahead yung iniisip niya. Malungkot siya kasi something to do with marriage. Maybe this person is, especially if yung kakonek mo is may kakonek ng iba, and then parang this person is thinking about marriage because might be with the Page of Cups, my child or children na involved. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate dito, it could be the other way around. It could be kasi you're already in a relationship, you're already married, ganon, and iniisip niya yung bagay na yan, I want to marry you, but you're already in a relationship, you're already married. Okay? Yung iba naman, this could be sa side ng person mo na parang iniisip niya yung ahead or yung future na parang I'm thinking about marriage pero I know I'm not happy doon sa marriage na yon, but kaya niya na iniisip yun because of the Page of Cups, because there's a child na might be involved dito sa connection na to, and kaya nag-iisip siya ng might be offer. It could be yung person may yung mag-offer or there's an offer already. Kasi hindi ko masabi, whatever your gender is, LGBTQIA+ is open dito sa reading na to. But if your person is a man or lalaki, na of course siya yung dapat mag-propose or magbigay or mag-offer ng marriage, it could be that na parang gusto niyang mag-offer or gusto niyang mag-propose ng marriage because ang iniisip niya is the Page of Cups, which is the child sa connection, but deep inside this person is a Three of Swords. Nasasaktan siya kasi alam niya na hindi niya gusto yon. Naobliga lang siya with the Two of Pentacles, kind of like indecisive, tapos parang back and forth, when you're on a boat, struggling to stand, 'di ba? Kasi pag nasa ship ka or nasa boat ka, and that's what I can see here dito sa picture, no? Pag malakas yung alon, hindi ka maka-steady. So, ganun din yung utak ng person na to. May times na ganito, ganyan. May times na parang wag, ayoko. Then may times na mababalik na naman. Hindi kailangan kasi ganito, ganyan. May anak or what na involved dito sa connection. May ganong energy. And then the Four of Wands, yeah, as you can see, there's this Four of Wands, there's this marriage, there's this wedding going on here. And ito yung iniisip ng person na to. Pero alam niya deep inside, parang hindi siya happy doon. And then, what's the emotions here? Ano yung emotion niyo sa isa't isa? The Strength card and the Ace of Wands is here. Nine of Pentacles and the Hierophant. I want to know kung anong emotions niya towards you. Six of Pentacles and the Emperor. Okay, I'm not gonna show the bottom of the deck kasi meron tayong picture dito na hindi pwede. But anyway, it's the World. Yun yung bottom of the deck. So, nakikita natin with the Strength card, yung emotion mo is as much as possible, you're trying to remain calm and parang hindi ka nagpapa-apekto dito sa connection ninyo ng person mo. And with the Ace of Wands, you're focusing on new beginnings, new stuff na nangyayari sa buhay mo. You love the person. I feel like there's something sa'yo. And there are times na you're thinking about this person sexually. And yun. Yun yung nafe-feel mo sa kanya emotionally. But part of you is ayaw mo mag-expect, ayaw mong maghangad, or ayaw mong isipin itong person na to because whatsoever, 'di ba? Maraming dahilan. And but part of you is parang may pinangahawakan dito sa person na to, or you're still holding on to something kahit parang ang hirap ng panghawakan nitong, maybe it's a promise or maybe there's unfinished business sa inyong dalawa, and part of you is ang hirap bitawan, or diba, you're still holding on to this. And then ito person na to, with the Hierophant and the Nine of Pentacles, nakukuha natin yung loyalty. And you know what I mean. Ganito kasi yun eh. Ang pakiramdam niya dun sa, sabihin na natin dun sa person na kakonect niya is like a literal dog, a pet. Na I have to be by my master's side. I have to be loyal. I have no choice. This is what I should do. Parang ganun. That's the energy. Kahit pa nandun yung kagustuhan niya na of course yung makakapagpasaya sa literal na dog is to be free, 'di ba? To be happy, magtatalon, lumabas ng bahay and then maligo sa ulan, sa putik or what. That's what I can feel na makakapagpasaya sa isang aso, 'di ba? Pag may freedom. But parang there's no choice but to, of course, makinig or sumunod sa, yun nga, lumalabas as the third person, which is yung parang amo. Yung pakiramdam niya parang amo. Bawal magalit si ganito, ganyan. And I have to follow his or her rules and whatsoever. So, of course, yun yung ginagawa niya. So, in a way, nandun yung loyalty. The Hierophant. So, part of this person, especially kung may child na involved, may children na involved, is dun siya sa kung ano yung tama. Especially if you're dealing with someone who is very traditional, very religious, especially with the Emperor energy. Ayan. And the Hierophant energy, very religious, very traditional. Maybe sa kultura nila or sa tradisyon niya talagang ganun. And of course, especially advice din ng mga elders or may mga advice din na may mga may mga sa kanya, mga may edad na family member or what. Yun yung nakukuha natin. Like, hindi lang yung person na kakonect niya yung kung bakit niya naiisipan o bakit siya nagiging ganyan mag-isip. It could also be because of the people around this person na nakaka-contribute dun sa kung bakit ganun siya mag-isip. And you do have the Six of Pentacles. So, kinuha natin yung emotions niya towards you. Right? This person wants to call you. May energy na ganun. Gusto kanya tawagan. Like short talks or communication. Like, this person wants to ask you a favor or something. May mga gusto siyang malaman, like gusto niyang mga musta or to ask for konti lang naman na mga pag-uusap regarding whatsoever, right? There's no particular message. Okay, sorry about that. I just have to pause the video. Okay. Anyway, yun yung nakukuha natin. Parang gusto kanyang kausapin, to ask you something, to tell you something, and makipagkamustahan para ma-entertain ng very, very small talk lang talaga, literal. And tell me about the thing na gustong sabihin itong person na to, or is there anything, any message here? The Seven of Wands is here. And the Three of Cups. Yeah, this person wants maybe reconciliation, friendship, na may kinalaman sa friendship. The Seven of Wands, yeah, this person wants to why do I feel like kasi lumabas itong Four of Wands at the bottom of the deck eh. Kumbaga, gusto niya ng friendship kasi Yun lang yung pwede or malapit-lapit sa pwede. And but with the Two of Pentacles, you could also be the one of the choice. Kumbaga, if ever na magkakaroon ng marriage, you are definitely the one I'm thinking of. Diba? Parang dalawa nga kayo dun sa puso at isip eh. And maybe, mas nakukuha natin yung energy na ikaw yung nasa puso. Yeah, the Three of Swords is here. The Three of Swords, this is a third party situation, third party connection. So, ikaw yung nasa puso, kaya lang yung nasa isip ay yung isa. And what I'm getting is that, yeah, I want to talk to you because yun lang naman yung pwede natin gawin. We cannot do more than that. I wanted to, pero hindi kaya or hindi pwede. And I can see this person pretending a lot, nagpe-pretend about sa emotions or sa connection na meron sa inyo. So, in the near future, tell me about the near future, please. You know, over the Seven of Swords and Ace of Swords. I can see you loving yourself. The Empress is at the bottom of the deck kanina. And you're moving away, you're walking away, you're not thinking about this person as much as possible. Di mo siya iniisip or yeah, the Empress. Nandito pa rin si the Empress. More on self-love to eh. And what I do love about this Empress is that sumunod dito is the Knight of Cups. Ibig sabihin, the more you love yourself, the more you become better, the more na ikaw ay nagiging mas, I don't know, lucky in life. And by the way, hindi ako against sa LGBTQIA plus or what. I'm not against that. But what I'm feeling is that the more you connect to your feminine, if you're a woman, the more you connect to your feminine side, the more na naiiba yung aura mo, naiiba yung, mas namamagnet mo yung blessings papalapit sa'yo. For example, if you're a woman, the more you make yourself pretty, charming, or anong tawag dito? Yeah, the more you connect to your feminine side, the more na kukuha mo or na-attract mo yung blessings or yung tamang love for you, attraction mula sa iba, etc. I don't know about LGBTQIA plus that much. Hindi ganun kalaki yung kaalaman ko dyan. But I know some of the people na medyo close sa akin. Part of my family. Some of them, of course, is ganon. Na nagpapalit ng tawag dito, ng nagbibihis lalaki, for example. And meron din yung babae na may karelasyon or ka-live-in na babae din, pero babae pa rin naman magdamit or magsuot or of course mag-asta. But what I see, the difference between them is, of course, hindi ko na lang sinasabi, of course sa inyo ko lang sasabihin, but the aura, I can see the aura sa kanila. Mas more on nakikita ko yung bright and mas magandang aura doon sa the one who is still feminine, rather than doon sa ang naging choice is, let's say they are both girls, diba? Pareho naman silang babae. Pero iba na yung pinili nilang direction. The other one is babae rin ang gusto but babae rin magdamit. And then the other one is babae ang gusto and babae pero lalaki na magdamit. But so as I look or channel their energy, mas nakukuha ko yung bright aura at saka more on blessings ang nakukuha nitong babae pa rin magdamit. You know what I mean? Yun kasi namamagnet niya yung mga magagandang opportunities and blessings sa buhay niya. I'm not saying na na hindi maganda yung yung nagpapalit ng gender, but what I'm saying is that the more you connect to your feminine side, the more na mas na-attract mo yung blessings. And that is what I can see here. I mean, regardless kung yun yung situation mo or ikaw ay normal na, let's say, babae or lalaki, kung ikaw ay lalaki or ikaw ay babae, the more you make yourself pretty, sabihin na natin ganun. Diba? Inaayos mo ang katawan mo, yung vitamins or taking vitamins and healthy habits, yan. May mga magandang i-add or idagdag sa routine para mas makuha or mas maging maganda yung iyong pangangatawan. And then maybe applying some of the skincare, etc. Para mas ikaw ay pumogi or gumanda. That's what I'm saying. And you know why? Kasi ito pa yung nakukuha kong energy eh. I hope huwag kayo magalit sa akin if there's someone watching na ganun yung situation. Kasi kapag nagbihis lalaki ka and you're a woman, nagbihis lalaki ka, or if you're a man, nagbihis babae ka, part of you don't accept. Parang ganun. Part of you, you're not accepting it. And then, you are finding love. You're finding someone who will accept you the way you are. Pero hindi dapat ganun yon. Kasi the one thing or the one who should accept you first is you. Wala namang problema dun if your soul feel like you like the same gender eh. Wala namang problema yon. Kung babae din ang gusto mo, wala namang problema yon. The problem is the one who should accept you first is yourself. So kung ikaw ay nagbibihis lalaki or ikaw ay nagbibihis babae na hindi ka naman babae, parang hindi mo rin tanggap yung kung ano yung meron sa'yo. Diba? And that's what I can channel. I'm really sorry pero yun yung energy na nakukuha ko. Pero whatever, I'm here as a guide, but if you don't like that part, wag mo na lang kunin yan. Okay? So, yeah. The Seven of Swords and the Ace of Swords. I hope maintindihan ng iba sa inyo, guys. The Four of Pentacles and you go over the Queen of Wands, the King of Pentacles is here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, in the near future, this is your person. Ano siya mas more on realistic or yung more on nakakling siya dun sa not only the reality but also usaping pera. There's something here na importante sa kanya na hindi niya kayang mawala, and I feel like it has something to do with kung ano yung estado niya sa buhay niya, career niya or what, but you don't care. The Empress is here. This is you loving yourself. This is you focusing on yourself. Yeah, this is self-love, self-care. You are really valuable here. Okay? Nakuha natin yung energy mo. You are being valuable. At ang maganda dito, you're not chasing anything or anyone or any who. It could be friends or boss or kung sino man, hindi ko nakikita naghahabol ka. So, with the Knight of Cups, meron mga right love na dumadating sa'yo. And, I feel like this person, hindi siya mawawala. He or she will always be there, the Three of Pentacles. Kaya nga lang, this person is watching you. Nakatingin lang siya, nakamasid lang siya. Wala siyang magawa. Ay, wala naman talaga siyang ginagawa at all. Yeah? Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.